we're gonna get started with taking the front bumper off. This one, it doesn't fit as well as I want it to, so whenever I do get the car repainted and body work refinished, etc., I'm gonna put this bumper back on. But for now, I've got an OEM front bumper over here, and I actually have a lip for it as well right behind it, so I'm actually gonna be putting that on. We start by popping the hood. There's some hood popper. Got the wheels turned to the side so I can access this a lot easier. There you go. So we have access to these bolts right here. Take those off. You get the two side ones, and then should be able to take the bumper off. I believe those bolts are 10 millimeters. So grab this and my electric ratchet. Take those off. Should be able to just. Should be able to zip. Oh. Gotta get my trusty magnet. I don't trust myself getting this. You never know. I'm gonna be taking this bumper off right here. Take it off. There's a few things that I don't like about the bumper like that. And just some of the fitment issues that I'm having with the bumper. It looks okay, honestly, but I'm a perfectionist, so I want to make sure it fits correctly, etc. So I'm going to take this bumper off. I have an OEM AP1 front bumper right here with a front splitter lip, and that's going to go on the car for now. When the car gets painted, I'm going to get this bumper fitted correctly and trimmed, etc. to fit the car, and it's going to look so much better. So in order to get the sides off, I've got a nut and a bolt right here. So I'm going to take that off, and then same for this side. It's going to be the same thing, a nut and a bolt. It's a longer nut bolt, but that was the only one I could find that would fit that nut. So okay, so I've got a longer extension, a longer socket for the electric ratchet. I'm using one of these wrenches, combination wrenches, to hold the okay. This side's out, bumper's off. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. Now that both sides are off, I can then grab the bumper. Okay. This bumper is really heavy. And that's how you take the bumper off. I've got the front lip out of the packaging. It doesn't look bad, honestly. Like, it really does look like it'll fit on there. But we're about to find out. Oh, the lip looks really good, actually. It fits really well. Got it bolted up, and then there's no like excess like spacing or anything. It actually looks really good. So I'm actually going to make these holes bigger for a bolt and nut, and I'm going to actually bolt it to the bumper. And I've got my trusty drill. So now that the holes are drilled, I'm going to get this on the bumper. We're going to secure it. Okay. I don't know how exactly we're gonna secure it, but we're gonna secure it. Got a little bit bigger of a drill bit. Drill this hole right here. That bolt should fit in there now. That should hold the front splitter, our front lip. And do a few more, and we should be good to go. So the front lip is fully secured onto the bumper. I think that's gonna look really good. Now let's put it back on. So let's put the bumper back on very carefully. OEM bumper fits perfectly. If you guys look, body line's good, headlight line is good, that body line's good, fender line's good. Right there fits great, headlight fits great, right here fits great. So what happens when you go OEM? So we're gonna put these bolts back in. Put that one back in. This one back in. There's one in the center that the other bumper did not have. There's a fifth one in the middle that this other bumper did not have, or the person didn't drill it out or something. But yeah, this one only had 4. The OEM bumper has 5, so I'll find another nut or bolt for this one. So here's a 5th bolt for that one. Cool. This is ready to go. Gonna do the sides, and then we are done. Bolt and a nut here. There we go. Now we go to the other side. I get it a little tighter with my hand. That's pretty tight, but I'll make sure it's fully tight. Yeah, it's fully tight. Now that I'm done, set the car down. Put the hood back down. Now that you guys can see the car, there's the new front bumper and the new lip on the car. Thank you so much for just watching this little short video that I put together for me swapping from this ASM front bumper, I believe it's an ASM front bumper, to an OEM front bumper with a lip. It's just a short little video to give you guys an update on the Liqui Moly S2000, but stay tuned and I'll update you guys for more. Peace.